Unbelievable.
It's in the middle of spring. Are you kidding me?
Hailstorm. All the vehicles are outside. It's getting smashed. Nice marbles flying from the sky. No, all the cars are outside, buddy. I never saw anything like this in May before in my life.
Is our house gonna break?
The cars are probably getting all dented up, buddy.
Or is our house gonna break?
No. This is horrible.
There's like gonna be golf balls in our yard.
Oh my god. It's getting even harder now.
Look at that.
This is unbelievable. Look at the driveway. It was 75 degrees out a couple hours ago.
Holy snow. Is it stopping? Please tell me it's stopping.
Yeah. What do you think, guys?
Look at the driveway. He's all filled up with it. Please tell me it's stopping. Please, please, please. Daddy, how are we going to get over to the house?
It's going to go away. Look at the driveway. It looks like it's a rock driveway, even though it's paved.